Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can insert formulas in Excel. So guys, there is a many formulas you can use in Excel. So I will show you the main part that how you can insert the Excel formulas, how you can copy the formulas, how you can edit the formulas. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I'm requesting you if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's start with the video. So guys, this is my Excel sheet and just enter some example data here. Okay, like this. So this is my A column and this is my B column. Okay, so let's start with the okay, just make it presentable. This is header. Okay, so I want to total it, so I'm going to use the sum formula. There's a many formula you can use. There's a many formulas as per your requirement Excel has. So for sum you have to write sum, then click the tab. Then okay, I'm going to simple way. Okay, just sign the equal sign, equal button. This is a sign that we are this is indication to Excel that we are using formula now. So some formula you can use SVM, then some formula will come here. You can simply click on, or you can click on tab, then formula will come up and one bracket will be open. Now you have to choose the data or value, which data or value you want to sum or total, want to totaling. Okay, just select the data, and now you have to close the bracket. So you can see total has been appear here. Okay, so you can select the data from here also, like this. Okay, now close the bracket, the sum will be appear here. Okay, so just if I using sub, okay, just select data, like close the bracket, then we'll sub. Okay, so one formula I have applied here. You can see if you click on any cells, the formula will be, you can see here. Okay, in formula bar upper side. Now you want to apply this formula to all rest of cells. Just hold this arrow, this corner, by holding your left button of your mouse, and just scroll down. The formula will be applied to all cell. Okay, so that is how so that is why you can use formula like sum formula, subtracting formula, into formula, division formula. Okay, so if you want to use the subtracting formula, just sign the equal button, just select your first column, then enter the minus, and you can select the another value and just enter. Okay, so you can see the formulas you can apply like this. So that is how you can use formula in Excel. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.